Ay, hindi pala ganun yung reaction ko nung pumasa ako. Hello! Welcome, amazing schoolers! Hello, let's have a little background before sharing my tips. First of all, why did I took the exam? My brother is an industrial engineer. His course has no board exam, so he is encouraged to take the civil service exam. Sabi ng tatay ko, makisabay na ako sa kanya, so I did it. So, wala talaga sa plan ko mag-take. Nakisabay lang ako. And also told my friends about it, kaya ayun, nakisabay din sila. By the way, 2023 ako nag-take. Third year college ako nun. My preparations. Actually, wala talaga akong balak mag-review nun. Pero since I will also take a scholarship exam noon, which is the thing that I really want, ayun, nag-review ako. So, may review ako for both. Isama ko pa yung mga friends ko na, tara, review tayo. Kaya may time nga na nag-video call kami for review. So, here are the tips for you. Let's start! Try mock exams. Test your knowledge muna. Siyempre, maghanap ka ng mock exam na may answers key na para ma-check mo yung sinagutan mo. Pwede ka mag-search sa YouTube or Google. 2. Focus on your weaknesses. Now, focus sa mga items na incorrect yung answer mo. Yung mga tamang sagot, nasa stock knowledge mo na yon, so no need to review for those items. Find YouTube videos or other review materials that could focus on those areas. Yun ang pag-aralan mo. 3. Reassess yourself. Since nag-pretest ka na and nireview yung mga topics na mahina ka, find another mock exam and sagutin mo. Check it and tignan mo ulit kung saan ka nagkamali. Review it again. Kaya mo yan. Pray. I don't know if you believe in the power of prayers, but I do. 2 exams yung napasa ko noong 2023, ang scholarship at civil service, and I'm so grateful to God and to myself for those. Though prayer is not enough, sabi nga nila, nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa. So still, do your part and make your mind at peace through prayers and self-trust. You can do it! Pahabol na reminders mga be. Dumating na maaga sa venue dahil mahabang pila. Though di ko alam po sa lahat ng testing centers, pero it's better to be early than sorry. And that's all for my civil service exam journey. Please like and subscribe. Alam kong kaya mo yan cause you want it and you will work for it. Good luck!